Hi guys, I am back with another unboxing video, and as you can see in the title, it's not an eyeshadow or face one, it's a lip product. And again, these are all Revolution because they are more on the cheaper side. And this is the Nude's, what's it called? Lip Revolution Nude, I don't know. It's a nude lipstick unboxing. And as you can see, these are all the products here. And it comes in this plastic packaging. Let's get rid of. So it actually opens up like this. I feel like it's a PR package and I've never received one. And it looks like this. So you have 3 lip kits and 4 of the Renaissance lipsticks, 1 of the old style packaging lipsticks, and to be fair, I feel like their formula's improved, so when they put old style stuff in their packagings, I feel like they're just trying to get rid of it. 3 of the Soph lipsticks, and then 1 of the newer rose gold lipstick, one of the ones down here anyway. It's hard to show this whole thing. So yeah, I'm just going to start unboxing and showing you everything that's in here. It feels very luxurious, like it is very nicely packaged, like nothing's broken. And I think I'm going to go in for the first lip kit. And this one is called Sovereign, and it's a metallic lip kit. It's in this lovely rose gold box. I don't think I'd wear this one. And it's really gold, like a bronzy gold. The lip liner is actually sealed, which is great. I think I get more use out of the lip liner than... Let's see, let's not have a negative thought about it. Let's see before I... Oh wow, it's gold as well. Oh, it's so soft. Wow. So that is the lip liner. Like when the light... Wow, okay. Okay, I think I would wear this, but like as a topper. That keeps bouncing back. Can't get it. There we go. And then this is the lipstick, the liquid lipstick, and it's more like darker than a lip liner. It's more bronzier. Do you know what? I think I will try this. So the next one is Glory, and it's one of my favourites. I already have this, and I love the lip liner for like a deep like... It's not even a nude, it's a deep chocolatey colour on me. And again, the lip liner is sealed, so let's open this up. Oh my god, Harry Potter is back on the TV on Sunday nights. I'm so happy. Don't you just love that sound? This reminds me of True Brown K, like the original liquid lipsticks by Kylie Cosmetics. And look at the richness of that shade. I love it. And I will definitely get used out of this because my one's probably dried up by now. And now that it's autumn, I love the darker colours on me. I will show you them once they dry down on my hand as well, because I feel like the gold shade is dried already. And it's still very metallic. Just to let you know, it's the new improved formula. The next shade is We Rule, and it's another metallic lip kit. And it's just in one of these rose gold packagings again. And what shade is... Oh, it's more of like your rose gold coppery shade. I love it. I don't know the difference between rose gold and coppery when I look at it. So if anyone tells me that's not rose gold, that's copper, that's not... I don't care. Right, to me they look the same. One just looks more burnt orange and one looks more rose. But when I'm looking at them, I can't tell. So please don't come at me. Oh. Okay, again, very creamy looking. Just look at that. Look when it hits the light. Okay, I'm definitely going to get some use out of these. This one is in this kind of... And it's called Awaken. This is like your autumn pink colour. Okay, I'm putting this on. I need a mirror. Where is my little... There it is. Love it. Oh, I love this one too. This one's called Triumph. And it's a chocolate brown, and it's in this Renaissance packaging again. Like, oh, I love this shade. I need a lip liner to match that because that is an amazing autumn shade. Okay, I think I like this one even better. This is called Vintage, and it's just a little bit darker than Triumph. It's in the Renaissance packaging. And you know, I used to be able to, back in the day when they did lipsticks with these little toppers, you could, oh, I think you still can. Did I get it off? It's actually more of the lipstick in there. I don't know if it's just so that you see the colour or if it's so you can like use a lip pen and just lip line, but it actually comes off. This next shade I already have in my collection. It's called Vow, but you can never have too many of them. And it kind of looks like it's in between Triumph and, what was the other one called? Vintage. So it's this shade down here. It's just a little bit lighter. So you could have like one of them all around your lips and then put this one in the centre because it's got like an off pink colour to it. Very soft, very smooth. So the next shade is one of these Soph lipsticks in the shade Fudge. I already have all the Soph lipsticks, so I might just give these to my little sister because she just loves lipsticks. And it's this shade here. They are so much more creamier than any formula I've ever tried. Even like my Barry M lipsticks, the satin lipsticks, these are like very comparable to them. It's in the rose gold packaging again. It's more of a pinky nude. Reminds me of like, actually, it's very bright. It's not even a nude, it's this one. So for me that won't be a nude, but for someone with darker skin, that might be a nude. Another Soph lipstick, and this is in Cake. I think I was wearing that. Yep, so I'll just show you my open one. I was wearing that before I put this lipstick on, and it's just the best nude pink for my skin tone. It reminds me of a little bit like Soar by MAC. Again, another Soph lipstick in the shade Syrup, and I believe this is the very lightest nude in the collection. Yep, it's the lighter one. Again, very creamy, very soft, and it's this shade here. So this is in the matte packaging, and it's an iconic lipstick in Chauffeur. Chauffeur. This was actually one of Soph's favourites when she first started out YouTube. I remember I bought it because I saw it on her and I loved it, and I'm quite pale but I'm quite yellow. This shade here. And they have it in so many formulas now. Matte, satin, creamy, liquid, like I swear it's in so many different colours. Like if you look at their new range, Chauffeur's in it, and it has so many different like finishes. So that was everything in the Nude Vault. I think it's actually called a vault, you know. And I just love this packaging. Like if you're gonna get this for someone, you can get this for a teenager, an adult. Someone is really gonna love that packaging. And I think, let me check the price, but I think it was like £33. So let's check. So it was originally £50. It was, and I got it again third off for $33. And for that price, you can't really go wrong. For $50, I probably wouldn't buy it. Again, I wait for things to go on offer, and just wait. If the offer goes by the time you see this video, just wait till after Christmas or another month. They do offers every month, like they just non-stop throw offers at you like we're rich. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and I'll see you for the last unboxing video, which is the chocolate vault, and it's the massive one, the second one, because I have one from last year. So yeah, I'll see you soon guys. Bye.